Titans, if you've been waiting for that key signal for the next altcoin season, then you need to see what we're seeing on the charts right now. So let's talk about all that and more today. Kevark, hit that intro. All right, looking at Bitcoin on the 4-hour time frame, you can see we are just consolidating at the moment within this resistance line at the top here and the support line on the bottom here. And when you add the Bollinger Band indicator, you can see that the Bollinger Bands were really tight in this region right here, and they are just beginning to expand now, but it's not entirely clear which direction the squeeze is headed yet. You can also see this expansion beginning to occur on the Bollinger Band width indicator as well right here. But since the stochastic RSI has bottomed out down here, meaning that Bitcoin is in oversold territory, there's a strong possibility that the next big move could be headed to the upside. Switching over now to Bitcoin on the daily time frame, we're currently on day 89 of this overall sideways consolidation phase. And it's very clear at the moment that we're still finding support above this 0.65, 0.618 Fibonacci golden pocket that ranges from about 67.3K to 67.8K. So until we can at least clear this 71.6K resistance, we're still just range bound. And the catalyst for getting out of this range will more than likely be driven by the effect we'll see when the Ethereum spot ETFs are active and money starts flowing in, because that's exactly what we saw back here last week with this big green candle when the rumors came out about the SEC having a change of heart for the better regarding the Ethereum spot ETF approvals. Zooming out now to Bitcoin on the weekly time frame, last week's candle, marked by this yellow arrow here, did manage to close above this resistance line of the bull flag pattern that we spoke of last week, which has a breakout target of just over 100K. And as of now, the current weekly candle here is still above the flag channel, which is a great sign, meaning that this pattern is still valid along with the price target. Switching over now to the Bitcoin dominance on the weekly time frame, this is actually looking very bearish for multiple reasons. So first, we spoke of this rising wedge pattern last week, which is a very bearish pattern. And you can see now that we're breaking below the bottom support of this wedge that goes all the way back to November of 2022. And second, we also lost the horizontal support right here that was previously serving as support for the last several weeks now. And third, these two sets of candles with the blue lines above them here and here represent a double top pattern, which is also a very bearish pattern. And finally, there's confirmed bearish divergence between the candles and the RSI, or relative strength index, because we have higher highs on the candles here and lower highs on the RSI. So guys, again, this entire chart is very bearish, and as we continue to see this breakdown, get ready to watch the altcoins pump. And finally, looking at Ethereum on the weekly chart, you can see that we're currently pushing against this resistance of about $3,900 here. But what really has me feeling bullish on this chart is that we're seeing hidden bullish divergence between the candles and the RSI, or relative strength index, because we have higher lows on the candles here, but lower lows on the RSI. So when you have this combination, it's a very strong sign that we're set for a continuation of the uptrend. And to make an even stronger case for this, we're also seeing the same thing on the total 2 market cap, which excludes Bitcoin, meaning that's just the market cap for Ethereum and altcoins. So get ready.
Titans, we are your one-stop source for guiding you through this Bitcoin bull run. Please join us as we continue to provide the latest market and technical analysis that are going to give you that edge.